Hi everyone, I'm doing a double unboxing today, and the first one is, they're both actually really exciting. The first one I ordered from Saks, and I think this is one of the new collections. This one I ordered so I could use with the other item that I ordered. So it came in this, well, it came in a big box, but can you guys see? So this is from Gucci. Oh, it's smaller than I thought. And, oops, to reveal, ta-da! So I got this really compact card holder. Here are the SKU numbers if you guys need it. And so it has a zip pocket. You can put some cards in there, and then two in the back. Here's just the Gucci tags. One with a hole, and then another card slot, and then a card pocket right here, and then three in the front. So 1, 2, 3, and then another one right there. So it's super cute. It's really compact, and I love the gold hardware right here. It's very understated. And yeah, come on, autofocus. Super pretty. Okay. The next item comes in this box. So this one is kind of damaged. You see that? It's damaged a little bit. This one I did order from a reseller on Instagram, but it was shipped directly from the boutique. Comes in this box. Ta-da! Oh, it just said what this item is right there. That's so funny. Well, here's how it came. Quick story. So my friend Monica here on YouTube, I'll link her channel right here and in the description. So she filmed her vlog for when she went to check out the pre-fall collection, and the item that I wanted was in that vlog. So I asked her to get me in touch with her essay, and long story short, because I didn't have a Saks purchase recently, my last purchase was from 3 years ago, they wouldn't accommodate that. So that's why I purchased this Gucci item, but they still wouldn't allow it. So I asked her to put it under her profile, which she was fine. I PayPal'd her the money, friends and family, so that there's no additional you know, what is it called, fees associated. But when she went to go pick it up the day of, I guess the item that the essay held for me, it was switched out for a damaged item. So I'm so grateful that she found the damage, and so obviously I didn't purchase it. And so they were trying to look, and I was really bummed out, and it just so happened that I found this reseller for this item, and I don't know how, but it was less than what I would have paid if I would have went with her essay, Monica's, because tax in California is higher than where I'm at. And so yeah, but I know it was such an ordeal, and I can't thank her enough. She spent her time to actually drive to the store to try to pick it up for me, to try to ship it to me, and I just I wish it would have worked out, but I'm so happy I have it. Let's hope I love it just as much in person. But thanks, Monica, if you're watching this. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Magnetic closure. Oops. So it came in this really cute camellia folder. That's the receipt. And here is the sticker. I don't want to rip it. I always rip it when I open it. So let me try to not rip it this time. Nope, didn't work. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Little pillow things. You guys. And the dust bag is at the bottom. And it came with the care booklet. Oh my god. Do you have any guesses? Ta-da! Oh my god. I love it. Oh my goodness. You guys. Ta-da! Can you guys see this beauty? Let me adjust this setting. Okay. That doesn't even do it justice. It just like washes it out. How perfect. I love this color. Okay, so it is smaller than I thought. But this is the cocoa handle in the mini size. And the tags are still on. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I'm just inspecting it to make sure that it is perfect. Oh, it's so cute. Here's a little felt. Here's the interior. And I will do a more detailed video when I get a chance, but it's in the light gold hardware, which is much more, it's really beautiful, guys. In person or on videos it doesn't really do it justice, but in person, look how perfect this is. So I am pregnant, but I also am 4'11", so let's see how it fits on me. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, it's so perfect. What do you guys think? So this has a pocket in the back. This weighs nothing. This is so light. Oh, I love it. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and I'll see you guys next time. Please subscribe. Bye.